Welcome everyone to my third video. Today I'm going to be talking about blood. Blood is a bodily fluid. You've watched my first video on how to insert an IV. You watched my second video on epilepsy. And now for the third video on blood. What is blood? Blood is basically cells that are flowing throughout our whole body, and it has oxygen, has carbon dioxide. It also has a lot of other minerals like vitamins and lots of nutritional stuff in there. And what happens is when you have blood, you also have a urine. Urine is a byproduct of blood. In our kidneys are like filters where the blood goes in, and somehow, somewhere in the kidney, what happens is the blood goes in one tube, goes into the kidney, gets filtered, the blood keeps flowing, and at the half part of the kidney, the rest of it is urine, and it goes to your bladder. You also have sodium in your urine. Sodium can cause hypotension and hypertension. Hypotension being low sodium in the blood, or hyper as in high sodium. When you have a high sodium concentrate in your blood, this can cause hypertension. When your heart becomes hypertensive, your heart will then have a hard time to pump. Your arteries will start to close on itself and narrow, and could cause a blockage. How does the blockage get there? There's something called a pulmonary embolism, and I'm just going to talk about the embolism first. An embolism is a combination of vitamin K, coagulants, and also it has white blood cells, red blood cells, and it also has oxygen inside. The oxygen in this case is just like when you bake muffins. The oxygen inside makes it expand, known as, in another term would be aerobic blood cells. Can get aerobic or anaerobic. Aerobic being with oxygen, anaerobic is without oxygen. We also have this thing called hemoglobin. Hemo means blood. Globin means something else. But hemoglobin is something that helps your blood coagulation. We also have there's a lot of things that can happen. For example, hypertension causes heart distress. That's where an emboli could come into play. A heart that goes hypertensive and has calcium and blood coagulation and platelets and everything, all of these combined create something called plaque. Now, if you're to just envision an artery, you see blood flowing smoothly. When you have an artery where you see that it's kind of like a waterfall effect. That's a hyperintensive artery where it opens, it goes wider because of the pressure against it, so it gets wider. The blood goes through, and it's kind of like, and then you have your plaque, and you get this thing that I call the waterfall effect, where it flows and it gets narrower, goes down, and then it goes again, also known as the waterfall effect. I hope this video was very good. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.